Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. In today's video, we are going to see a complete review about Herbodia's rose water. This is a rose water. This is a 200 ml packaging of rose water from Herbodia's. Why I particularly chose this rose water is since I've used many rose water like Dabur rose water and Biotic, Wow, and I have used many things, okay, Good Care, and I have used many budget friendly rose waters as well as top end rose waters. Top end rose waters, they are, according to their standard and they do their best, but they are pricey. So many of us may not be that affordable. So for you, within the budget, a best rose water within the budget, and the rose water which I like the best, I'm going to give a review about that. This will be a short review, okay, so don't worry, we'll get in the video. The 200 ml packaging of this Herbodia's rose water costs like 75 rupees. 75 rupees for 200 ml is really like a boon, really worth spending it. And while we have 50 grams, that is 50 ml, costs around 400 rupees, and 200 ml for 75 rupees, that is within 100, is really no one can give you this quality for this price. So for that you can purchase Herbodia's. Herbodia's is a natural skincare. It is a brand which produces natural skincare products. They also have Herbodia's shampoo, soap, and we have many things. You can see the ingredient used here, Rosa Damascena, which is 100% rose water. Only rose water is used in this and nothing else. What are the benefits? What the product promises is it balances our skin's pH level, it cleans the pores, and it maintains the skin tone, it soothes any skin irritation, it contains antioxidants to protect against cell damage, it reduces skin redness, it hydrates and revitalizes the skin. This rose water from Herbodia, it has anti-aging properties and it reduces wrinkles and fine lines. So we have ample of benefits from this particular product at this price to be mentioned. They have also mentioned that it is safe on skin and it is suitable for internal and external use. Actually, this is the one which I have blindfoldedly, I'm buying the product continuously. See guys, any product which you consume, you can be applied on your skin, so you can use this product internally and externally. What more you need? So from this line it is understood that the product is 100% pure. Okay, now we'll see. It has a cute packaging, bottle packaging. It has open close lid type. The product also comes in various sizes according to your travel friendly requirements. Rose water usually suits all skin types. There is nothing that this rose water is allergic. So for some it might be allergenic, but for all skin types it actually suits. Okay, if you are having dry skin, it suits. If you have any acne prone skin, of course the product suits you also. And if you have any uneven skin tone, or if you have oily skin tone, for sure you can use rose water all over your face and leave it, so that mixed with multani mitti, rose water mixed with multani mitti, of course it removes any extra oil from your skin. You can use it, this rose water, you can use it on your hair for preparing any hair mask for frizz free hair. And you can use this rose water while preparing any other face mask, any other body face pack, something like that. And you can also consume it internally for glowing skin. You can just use a little of the product on your cotton pad and dab it all over your skin, which greatly helps to reduce pores and fine lines, as they have mentioned in the product itself. If you have any skin irritation, if you have any skin roughness, if you have used any product without doing a patch test, and you will be having a lot of irritation all over your skin, you can do nothing but take a cotton pad, dab it pour some Herbodia's rose water, apply it on that area and leave it for about 5 minutes, and you will feel a great relief over that. Trust me guys, I have tried many products like that, and this product, that is why I just go on purchase this product repeatedly, since it is also within budget. There are rose waters, they are 100% natural, but I'm just constantly saying that within budget, this is an amazing rose water. You could see from its transparency. See, I will just show you the color. See, it is 100% transparent. I'm not sure if you can see it. It is 100% transparent. See, there's no color added in it except of 100% rose water. Whenever you feel quite sweating, when you are sweating like a hell, and you want some relief, just take a few quantity of the Herbodia's rose water, pour it in a spray container and just spray it all over your face. It acts as a cooling mist for your skin. Just dab it on your skin like that. This also acts as a toner for various skin types or various skin concerns. Like as I told you, if you have pores, you can use this as a toner, which will be greatly beneficial for you, and you can see visible results within 14 days. And I promise you guys, you can see visible results within 14 days if you are using a rose water continuously for 2 times a day. Okay, and if you have oily skin, this toner is a very boon for you. You can use it and you will feel immediate results. And you can use it under your makeup and apply your makeup. Okay, so that the product will actually take care of any excess oil production from your skin. So oil skin guys, oily type, you can use it in that way. So there are various ways in which you prefer, you can use rose water in that way. And for normal skin types, you can just pour the rose water as I told you and just simply apply on your skin. It will give your skin an instant glow. It also helps in fading away your dark spots to a very milder extent, but of course it does on continuous application. So I guess this video was very helpful to you. If so, please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to share with your friends, so let them also get benefited. Bear it in mind, this is my personal experience with the product and it is not a sponsored video. And yeah, I guess I'm completing the video with this. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Only then you will receive my videos whenever I post it, so that you won't miss any of the product reviews. Okay, we'll all meet in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Abhi. Take care. Bye.